Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. And I can pretty much see that we've got big move up, big move down this week so far on the 8-hour, and look at our oscillators pointing down. So the big question here is there's two scenarios on play, and the first one is this channel. So pretty much a shallow channel, so break of the channel is not going to give you very much on offer. It's pretty much going to come back into this 4182 area, and that would be the channel target to the downside. That's the first thing. And then the second thing that is probably more likely, in my opinion, just get rid of that and get rid of that, is that we're just going to bounce around in this tight range at the moment. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment, looking long term, medium term with the 8-hour. Remember, you've got the jobs number tomorrow, and then you have non-farm payrolls on Friday. So this just looks to me like nobody's got any catalyst that's helping them drive the market up. So now they're waiting for catalysts to hit the market. So the next logical catalyst is those two big events. And when we've got the other US data that's coming out during the week as well. But it's not looking, how do I put it? It's not looking very trendy. It's looking really confused. This double bottom here, the longer we sort of range about here, the greater the probability that this double bottom is going to fail. So I just want to pop across the monthly quickly, because this is important. Look at my oscillators in the monthly. Hanging man formed for last month, and first month we've got sellers coming in off the top. Okay, so first day of the month. Nothing to write home about just yet, but you can see two hanging men as well. And then we've got a green bar, but look at the crossover here. We've got a crossover on the oscillator. So this is not an area you want to be buying for long-term portfolios anyway. You want to be buying down in structure like this or this. Anyway, let's just get down to the levels that we can trade today. So the first one is the 3-hour. No change there. Big up, big down, big confusion, and it's been going on for 2 weeks. So you see up, down, up, down, up, down. The one thing that is for sure, we are making higher highs. But I mentioned this on the Telegram channel yesterday, and look at the oscillators. Oscillators are forming lower highs, while price is making higher highs. That is not conducive to any bullish price action at the moment. Okay, so my view at the moment is range. That's kind of what my short-term view is at the moment. And you can see how we're coming up into the moving averages. Wouldn't be too surprised to see the moving averages come closer together and price just sort of hover in that area for the next 2 days. So there is a move coming, that's for sure. We're not going to range about like this forever. But the question is, are we consolidating for a push up to the next level, which would be 4,400, or alternatively I'll be looking for a move to the downside. And this 4,200 area is critical, people. I can't stress it enough at the moment. We're sort of hovering on it right now. So we kind of, futures market closed below it, but cash market would have closed just above it or on it. So that is a critical level. So, this market often moves in 200-point increments. So if you just look at your back testing, you'll see it's sort of 4,000, 4,200, 4,400, 4,600. And then to the downside, it'll be 3,800. So those, the 4,000 to me is the floor at the moment. That's the ultimate floor in the market right now. But where we are right now, this is sideways. This is, you probably do well to buy off the top. I'm reluctant to buy off the bottom, and I'm reluctant to sell off the top. So the trend is still up, so I'm still looking for opportunities to buy. But it does look like we may be getting some form of a crossover here. Okay, so anyway, be careful. don't add to long-term portfolios just yet either. I think you're going to get a buying opportunity lower down. Market's not going to fault the floor, but if you do sort of get through, if we drop below this level today, then 4,100 and then 4,000 would be your ultimate target to the downside. But 4,000 would be a buying opportunity for me to start with, and then if we do break below 4,000, that's another story, and we'll cross that bridge if we get to that. But that's kind of my view at the moment. Sit quietly and wait for whatever catalyst everybody else is waiting for to hit the market, and then trade with it. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Not much on offer on any of the indexes today, so it might just well be worth taking a day off, I suppose. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.